In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the formula bar in Google Sheets. If you've ever clicked on a cell and noticed the formula appear in the formula bar above your spreadsheet, you might wonder how to keep this area tidy or just want to enhance your privacy by concealing your formulas. Whatever your motivation, hiding the formula bar is a simple process. Let's start by discussing what the formula bar is and why you might want to hide it. In Google Sheets, the popular spreadsheet tool in Google's suite of Office applications, the formula bar is a feature located at the top of your spreadsheet, just under the menu, where you can see and edit the formula for the selected cell. While this can be incredibly useful for editing and checking your calculations, there are times you might want to keep the contents of your cell a bit more discreet, or just keep your workspace looking neat. Now, to hide this formula bar, you'll want to direct your attention to the menu at the top of your Google Sheets window. You'll notice several menu options like File, Edit, View, and so on. The option we're interested in today is labeled View. Click on View, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options related to the display of your sheet. Within this drop-down menu, you'll notice an option called Show. When you hover your cursor over Show, it will expand to reveal additional options. Among them, you'll see Formula Bar. Now here's the magic trick. When you click on Formula Bar, the bar will disappear from view. It's as simple as that. You've now successfully hidden the formula bar. Hiding the formula bar can be especially useful if you're sharing your sheet with others and you don't want them to be distracted or confused by the formulas you've used. It can also be handy for professional presentations or when you need a cleaner look at your data. Just remember that hiding the formula bar doesn't prevent others from seeing your formulas if they know how to access this setting themselves. To bring the formula bar back, you would simply repeat the process. Go to View, then Show, and click on Formula Bar again. This toggling ability gives you the flexibility to hide or show the formula bar at any time based on your needs. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to manage the visibility of the formula bar in Google Sheets easily. It's straightforward and can be done in just a few clicks. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide to be helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy spreadsheeting.